Huh? Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, crowbar. Is this your crowbar? No? Oh, what is that noise?
Yo, dude, who wants to trade? I have an OG bag. You trade away an OG bag.
I'll trade.
What do you want to give?
I'll trade.
Oh, okay. It's a bomb. That's a bomb.
A grapple.
Nice throw, bro.
A bag full of food,
Hold up.
sorry.
Alright.
A grapple.
How did he miss that? That's crazy.
I'm gonna go kill a chicken.
Also, I have those unlocked. Yo, who wants to trade for this?
My hand.
Borrow a backpack?
Yo, I'm near the chicken area. I'm bringing a flashlight back that was on the ground. Who wants it?
Me.
You? Alright, I'm making my way back from the landmine field. Oh, jeez. Hand tracking, I swear. I'm back. I have a flashlight. Oh, jeez! Here's a flashlight.
My bad, bro.
What are you guys
Shit,
doing
run,
over here?
run.
I'm not dangerous.
I was just
But if
collecting
you
items.
support me, I will be.
Really?
Free weapon.
Are you kidding me?
I get a free weapon.
I trade
Give me my
a
crowbar back,
revolver
dude.
For a grappler.
Give me my crowbar.
Wait, a revolver for a grappler. I'll
Okay.
give you a crowbar. I can give you a crowbar. Guys, I said I played these games before. Blue,
Huh?
I could give you a crowbar.
Oh, thank you, because Pink killed me when I got my crowbar.
Yo, dude. Your mission. Follow me.
Alright, anyways, I should probably buy a
I played these games before, and I said I played these games before. And I said I played the fuck you little kid. I said I played these games before. You know what?
We heard you, nigga.
There's absolutely nothing in there. That's my backpack, you bitch.
No one cares.
You lying.
Store it. Yo, brother. Watch
Okay.
this. Watch this.
Yeah!
No one's outside. Wait. When did it rain? Brother, when did it?
Oh, where was there a landmine there? Oh. I just exactly caught it. When was there a landmine? How much money is that gonna give me? Meh, not that much. Yo, I just sold some bananas, by the way. So, that's how your money went up? I'm gonna go kill the chicken. Who wants to come along with me?
Me.
Alright. Just don't kill me this time, because I've been killed like... Yo, bro, you alive? I think you got blown up. Dang. My crowbar should be still there. Just I died.
Guys, red watch.
Trigger to shoot.
Yeah, because you killed it. Bro, you're the dumbest person in the galaxy. You wanna know why? Because you said I got red watch. And
Yeah,
now we're
Alright, there we go. Now.
Okay, bye.
Who wants the Hulk fist? Who wants the Hulk fist? Who wants it? Oh.
I'm selling this. Does anybody want it? Jeez.
What are you selling? Me.
This.
Yeah. I want
Yeah, bye. And you want to put it DC. That's
Oh, what the? Wait, is that a rocket launcher?
Bro,
Do-
can I have some RPGs? Since he kills me. Does anyone want to do? Can I get an RPG?
Hulk fist.
Does anyone want to
What is that?
He's a giant!
Who wants to duplicate?
How?
Me.
He's a giant because he's Godzilla! You have to get the Godzilla thing.
If you want to duplicate the codes, Mom.
Can I get some RPG ammo? If you want to do the codes, Mom. Reindeer, can I get some RPG ammo? Please, give me a rocket pack, please. Can somebody please? Mom, it's the stick. I have the moderator stick.
Bro, can somebody?
And the moderator.
You're not a moderator. That's just a stick. I'm going to kill the chicken for once.
Want a backpack?
I'm going to kill the chicken, bro. I swear. Really? Bro, stop blowing me up. Stop blowing me up, dude.
You guys, I'm a moderator. I got longer.
Get my stuff back. I should probably hurry up before he blows me up.
Does anyone have revolver ammo?
Flashbang. Sorry, Hulk.
Someone please tell me how much. tell me I'm upside down. Tell me, please.
Going to get the items I forgot to grab.
Yo, I am full of. Yo, whatever you do, please don't not go to mine, bro. I lost all my stuff. Please don't. Please do not go to mine. I lost all my stuff. Please, please don't. Oh yeah, can someone give me my book bag, please, for the mines, please?
Okay.
I'm too scared for the spider.
Dang it. Well, I scared anyone that tries to go get the chicken.
No.
Master got me working.
The other one! Someday Master's get it!
Huh?
Free! I want him to be free!
Run!
I shall revenge you, my
Oh,
friend.
oh wait, he's dead.
Not you guys. No! No more killing innocent little children!
Free hook shot. Free hook shot.
Yeah, I need that.
Free hook shot.
Well, I have so many money. I could buy
Who
it.
wants his free hook shot?
Huh?
Someone got his free hook shot.
Green, I'm so sorry.
Hey,
My bad, Green. Yo, America! For America!
Who would like to go see the
Nope.
Who has my RPG?
Are you kidding me?
Master got me working! Master got me free!
Dum,
Oh, I'm going after you!
I'm building blocks since this season
Hello, guys!
in Minecraft. I'm building blocks and stuff.
But where is that guy?
I am building blocks and stuff.
Like that. Like that for real. Oh, it's a suicide bomber. Yo, can someone give me a flash grenade?
You can get a flash grenade if you kill the chicken sometimes.
Does anyone have RPG ammo? I need it. Stupid.
Please no. Please no. Please no. Please no. Please no. Please no.
What?
Oh, it's just because you have a weapon, it gets
My
me
bag with all
always.
the 5 million RPGs in it.
I was mining some crystals over there, by the way.
Pathetic.
What?
Take this.
I think I have to shoot it.
Everyone look at green. Everyone look at green. Everyone look at green.
Thank you. Oh, whoa!
Give it back! No! You do!
Look at purple. Look at purple. Everyone stare at purple.
Huh. Thank you, Black. whoever gave me this. Really helps me move around.
See, I'm a good boy.
Oh, hey! How's it going?
Red, give me some more RPG ammo. Red, give me some more RPG ammo.
Oh, perfect! I just slammed my controller. Jeez!
Green.
Okay. Just grab this plunger.
Clipped, absolutely clipped. I clipped him. I clipped. Red, I need more supplies. Red, I need more supplies.
Yo, why is there so many explosions, bro?
What are you saying? Hang on, do you want this? You want this?
No, I'm good.
No.
Watch this.
You're really gonna be a jerk. You ain't some bullshit that's crazy. Chat, that wasn't me. Here, take another one here. Chat, that wasn't me, I swear. Here, take this one.
Hey, Blue, what you doing? Blue. I'm not gonna kill you. I don't have any bombs. Blue, I don't have any bombs. I don't have any bombs. Up here, Blue.
Come here. Grab it.
Dude.
Which one?
Are you talking about me?
No.
Grab it.
Uh-oh, I should be running.
I'm coming.
Blue, I have no bombs. I'm just.
What you want? What you want? What
Who's
you
that
want?
man? Who's that man, bro? Not you. That red guy. The red guy.
Hey, get you.
Yeah, see, he had a bomb.
Okay. Can I join? Can I join forces
Yeah.
with you?
I've been trying to. I've been grabbing loot from the chicken
Yo, Red, I
to
need
get
a
money.
resupply. Someone shot me. Someone shot me. Red, please.
I've been mostly grabbing stuff from the chicken and selling it, like the egg, and even also the golden bar.
Who shot it again? Who keeps hitting my...
Oh, I'm alive. Sup?
Sup? I'm ready.
I've been mostly selling stuff from the egg of the chicken, which is over there.
Guys, watch this epic
Yo,
prank.
yo.
Watch this epic prank.
Who
Who's
did?
that?
What epic prank?
Oh no, wait, they're working. Wait, let's
Yeah.
join them if
Huh.
we can.
Ow. I think I stuck.
You made me lose 20K because you don't know how to.
We gotta get black.
We're chill.
You made me lose 20K.
We're just wondering if we could join.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, hey, bro. Ask him, bro. Hey,
Oh,
yo, ask
where'd he go?
him. Ask him.
Oh,
Everyone,
are you
is going to
shit? Oh, she has a crossbow grenade.
Yeah, we.
Yeah. He chill.
Okay.
Yeah, we chill.
Oh, yeah. If you get caught, we have red watch. Do this.
What the?
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I've been killing people. I'll be back.
You go.
What the? How the heck? Wait, what happened? Yeah, I'm alive.
Oh, there's a kid. Yo, sup?
Oh.
You wanna join? You wanna
Wait,
join?
that's the kid.
Yo. What?
What? He killed him!
We gotta do what we gotta do.
I don't
Go
have any
down
weapons.
there And help the other poor. So.
Bro, I thought we were teams.
I don't have any weapons! I only have a grappler!
That's crazy. Is he coming back? Yo, you suck, brother. You suck.
Bro,
Nah,
bro, Blue's
chill,
blaming
bro.
me saying, bro, I thought we were on the team. I'm like, dude, I have no weapons. No,
You have a
none.
weapon. Yeah, think about it. Yeah, let me see the weapon. Oh, yeah, you're
What's up?
What's up? What's up? Wait, I'm chill, you know? You wanna join?
Am I the one that killed you?
Guys,
Did I
this
kill
is the
you?
genius idea.
What?
We chill. Hey, you.
Which one of you did I kill?
explode?
Which one of you did I kill?
You killed the blue one. Ooh, we can get that. We'll get one. Alright.
I've been mostly selling stuff from the chicken. What the heck just happened to my gun?
Yo, just in case we got red watch. Just in case we got red watch, do
Wait,
this.
red wasp? What the? I never seen a red wasp.
I wanna add you, Red.
I'm coming.
Red watch.
Oh, red watch. Okay, I thought you said what? People been saying red wasp. I'm like, what? This grappler's been overpowered, helping me just get the stuff from the chicken to sell.
Oh, sorry. It can also get really annoying when you do this. One time 3 people did that, it crashed my game. I will kill you.
Wait,
I'm not even dying, guys.
I'm just doing it for no reason.
Guys, why are you not killing me?
I lost 13K.
Really?
Be
He asked me
quiet.
for a grappler. I
nobody
gave him
kill
money, and then he didn't pick it up, so someone else stole it. I did that like a couple more times, like 10 more times. He keeps on losing them.
That's just crazy.
And then he's angry
Yeah.
at me.
Well, bro, you literally the one that give him it. Like, don't give him any more. Like, that's
I
crazy.
know I'm not, and now he's asking for other people.
Yeah. When you gave me this, I've been just trying my best not to die with it since I lost all my other stuff.
If you do, I'll just buy you another one. I had it on VR when I was really rich with I had everything unlocked.
He just sniped a kid. He just sniped a kid.
With the 360 no scope? Yo! That's crazy. I always wonder, bro, what's in that book bag, bro? Tell me what's in that book bag, bro.
Oh.
Just ammo. Ooh. Okay, alright, bet. Take that. We respect that. God damn.
I've been trying to kill the green every time he comes out.
Jiggly.
Or is there just a random broccoli falling in there?
You know my friend that has a UFO flying thingy?
Hey you, give me a
Well, my friend actually does, but me and him were on a private server. Guess what happened one day? When he had to go do something, he gave me it, and I'm like, I've been using it the whole time in the private code. Guess what happened? It went to the shadow realm. I know. Like I had it right here, and then when I dropped it for a split second, went to the back rooms.
Oh, I hate that when that happens. When you let's say you have big money and you accidentally press yeah, to go back, and then you realize that you need other stuff to put it, and then you're running for it, and then boom, it disappears for the back rooms. I was close to one time. I was close to like almost like a 10,000.
Hang on.
10,000.
killed another 2 people. Let's go.
Why did you kill so much people in these days, yo?
It's Animal Company. What do you expect? Multiple killing.
Yeah, we're playing PvP. He got a point.
Because there's a bunch. When I was like over there was so many explosions happening.
Yo, I'm gonna see if I can get a red fire grenade. Wish me luck.
Nah, take out the little kid.
Yeah, like, dude, when I was over in the chicken area, right before I entered the chicken area, I saw many explosions happen over here.
Bro, that's crazy. Nah. Yo, there's a small broccoli, yo.
What the heck? Uh-oh.
It killed me when I tried to do it, bro.
What the heck? How did I get up there anyways? How did I get there? Yeah.
I need a big backpack. Give me a humongous backpack. That outfit.
That's it?
Give me a backpack and then a big backpack.
Huh. Yo, there's like a gem right there. There's a gem.
I killed all the huge people.
Yo, can you give me some real stuff? I need a backpack. I need a backpack. Wait, bro, can I have Can I have your hover pad? Can you give me your hover pad?
I wouldn't do that.
No.
Or a frying pan?
Yo, look.
I'm alive.
Oh, you drop a bomb.
So guys, you want to go? It's on my. Hey you.
Get back here before you die.
What do you think I'm doing? Oh.
3, 2, 1.
The tree always gets in my way.
Oh my god.
Wait, creepy. Yo, feel me when you accidentally press the wrong. Oh, here you go. Oh shoot! I accidentally. Mama.
What?
Yo, that backpack's full of grenades. Okay.
What about this other one?
There's still justice.
What is this one? Is this filled with grenades?
I killed someone.
Is this filled with grenades?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. But they're all.
This one's mine. This one's mine.
I'll take it. Take that, yoink. You know what? I'm gonna fight you. Oh my god.
What is that giant guy? What is that giant?
Shut the fuck up.
I think I can draw some attention.
Yo guys, whoever goes all the way to the top of right next to mine,
I fell like that.
Gets a free grapplers and free. I don't know, free whatever you want. I don't care really. Yeah, free ball soup.
What the?
Oh my god.
Yo, guys, I want to join y'all. Oh, wait, somebody's actually doing it, bro. George!
What are you doing?
Dumb it.
What is that?
I'm going to kill
What is that?
people, y'all.
Give me my bat.
A crossbow and a sticky dynamite, what does it look like?
Yo,
Oh my god.
so I'm guessing this bag is also filled with bombs?
Yes, that's someone else.
No! I got your stuff, don't worry! Dude, why did you kill him?
Give us a golden pickaxe.
I didn't kill
Somebody
him.
else did.
I'm going to kill people. I'm going to... He portrayed us.
He also killed you? Black!
Boys, why are you
Black,
running
black,
No, I
black.
missed.
I got your grapper. Here you go.
Wait for me.
Hey, my
What
umbrella.
were you trying to kill me for?
Red,
Why
wait,
you
Red
trying to
killed
kill
you!
me, Red?
Bro, I did kill you. So, another red.
I got skedaddle.
Dude, guys, don't believe this guy. I did not try to kill him. It was someone else, I swear.
I'm the owner of this gang member, so.
Shut the fuck up.
No, I
Yeah,
swear.
he is the. He's a
I
modder.
swear
He
it
is
was
a
that
modder.
red that
No,
tried
you're
to kill you, bro. It was that red because I didn't. So
You're
it was
in,
this
you're
red that
in.
tried to kill
You know, technically everyone's in, but you cannot betray your.
Yeah.
I swear I did not kill you.
Yeah, where you guys at?
I'm skedaddling away, Black, by the way.
I'm gonna be...
Black, I'm running away since I feel like that's a dangerous place now.
One person got
Okay.
one, right? Yeah. A pickaxe. Yeah, what we did. Now, if you actually go to sewers, I will actually give you everything you want. Big mobile. RPGs, shot, revolvers. Oh. Where? Here you go. Whoa, he actually gave us some stuff. Yeah, he actually gave us some stuff. I told you, come on, go to the VR.
Okay.
Hey, go to sewers. I'm sorry. I get a lot of mixed up with other videos. So go to sewers. Yeah, you have to go to sewers over for your free stuff. It's mom.
Hey, Black. Let's just say I'm going to kill this chicken.
Cool.
There we go.
Bro, can I have a grappler?
I don't own them. I don't own them.
Right, to mine.
Someone gave them to me.
That's who I pick up. Yes, please.
Also free grapplers.
How much money did I make? Dang, not bad. I also got a bomb, but I'm not that mean where I blow up kids for no reason. Also, that light, I swear, has been here.
Can anyone hear
Yes, we can hear you. Billy.
Why? I'll trade you grappling hooks. Nothing.
Okay.
Hold up. Where's the stick?
Come on, bro.
Okay, I'm going to give gems.
Wait, can
Yeah.
I go with you?
But you know the gems are on the sewers, right?
I bet. Copy it. I think I know where it is. But where's my pickaxe? Yeah, I'm coming.
Is that Mimic already?
I'm coming, bro.
Yo, what's up, bro?
Let's go.
Huh.
Leave me alone, giant. Fuck 'em, nigger.
What the frick? Who you even
Hey,
are,
Black.
bro?
Hi.
Hi.
My headset's about to die, so I have to make this quick.
Okay, do that quick.
Oh, you have to get away, bro.
Ah, frick.
Yeah, blue. Bro, just take my pickaxe, bro. I already got a pickaxe, bro. Just take my pickaxe.
It's worth it, though. Oh, it broke.
Sky.
Well, my headset's gonna die anyways, so this might be the end of my recording today.
You guys ready for the...